Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and this is Gabe. You may know him as the Babes. And we are gonna go ahead and look at some drone stuff because he has expressed an interest in learning how to fly drones. And we happen to have 4, maybe 5 of them, but we're gonna go ahead and dive into 3 today. So why do you wanna fly drones?
I don't know. I just want to learn something new. I'm a little scared because I'm driving. I'm not I go all over the place. I just want to find out what's the mystery behind flying drones, you know? Either I'm going to get this super quick or it's going to be a disaster, a complete disaster.
So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick walkthrough of the gear and all the different drone related things that we have.
A lot of things.
I'm gonna just run through it with you and explain it to you really quick. So we're gonna start you off on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. What makes it pro is what you're wondering. I know he's wondering because I know what he's thinking. And what makes it pro is... You weren't?
I was.
Oh, okay. So it has some cool features on it. Features that we will also find on this one, which is the Mavic 3 Cine, which I'm really excited about. But this one has a unique feature that none of the other drones that we have here today have. It flips in the landscape mode.
Okay.
So it's really cool because a lot of things that we do, it goes from portrait to landscape, landscape to portrait, whereas all of the other drones and gimbals are just one aspect ratio.
Landscape.
So now you can actually create content for your TikToks, for your reels, for your instances. Now to kind of keep looking at everything that we have with that,
I am super excited.
We have a controller, which is unique, and the controller has a screen on it. Other DJI products is you have a controller similar to this, but then there's a little stand that you put your cell phone to and you use your cell phone as the screen.
Oh, cool.
No, that's cool.
Oh.
That's old and archaic and stupid. 249 grams, under 250, meaning it skirts some of the FAA regulations. So that's why we like this one, because it's so little and light and it's got crazy pro features. So this is the DJI Avata, which is just blowing up everywhere right now, and it's on back order and it's hard to get.
Gosh, and it's super light.
It is. So this is referred to as a CineWap drone. So it's a cinema drone that's little, that can maneuver, that can bump into stuff and not crash.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And it can also get into tight spaces. So you can take that and fly all around. You know, you can't spy, that's illegal.
I'm joking.
If you look at it, what you're getting there is you're getting a battery and 4 propellers that are guarded.
Yeah.
And the motors, like this is what you're getting, and some really cool DJI
awesome.
technology built in. So I really, really like that. A lot of content is coming out about it. I wish I had more time to make more Avata content. Maybe after Babes learns how to fly the Avata, he can make you guys some Avata content.
Here we go.
The Avata is also an FPV drone, which is first person view, meaning you are seeing everything the drone is seeing as if you are flying in the air. So I don't wear those goggles unless I take Dramamine because I get motion sickness and that triggers migraines, and we're not gonna have that happen today.
For me, that I'm always afraid of technology and stuff, it doesn't seem overwhelming looking like this.
So that's kind of like a cheat code,
right?
Because when I unbox this stuff and I do it, it's always very, very overwhelming. But once you understand the way DJI does things, it makes it so much easier.
Yeah.
And they do things very uniquely, differently from everyone else. And once you just understand what they do and how, it's really quite simple, which is why now it's a lot easier to manage.
Like IKEA furniture.
Like IKEA furniture, except better built.
Oh, girl.
So we have one more drone that we want to go ahead and review and look at with you guys. And this is...
And it's in the orange box.
This is my favorite one, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it like this for you guys to see.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I've seen what's inside of that box, just kidding. But I'm excited because it's nice. I don't understand, but it's nice.
So there's a lot in here.
Lots to unpack.
Pretty much the big main event is these 2 things.
All right, so this is the time.
This is it, the moment we've been waiting for.
Yay!
So, like I said, we are starting off with the DJI 3 Pro Mini. First, I want you to hold the drone by the body. Now, we're gonna take the gimbal cover off. What we got here? Yeah, super easy gimbal cover. Turn it on. You're gonna push once and then push the power button a second time. On the second push, you're gonna hold it.
Is this a power button right here?
It's the only button on the whole drone. There you go. Okay, it's gonna do it.
It's kind of tricky.
It's gonna wake up. It's gonna wake up.
Oh, it did like.
Okay.
Let's fly this thing.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
The next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and lift off. So,
oh God.
In order to get it to go, you want to take your little thummy things and you want to pull down and inward. So on an angle, down and in. Kind of like, I'll show you really. You got it. Now you got to push up. They're spinning, the propellers are spinning. Back up.
Oh, wow.
Back up. It's going that quick already.
Holy.
There you go. So pay attention because you have to visually see where it is.
Oh, wow, look. Holy cow. This is so cool.
Yeah. And now you can start recording.
All right.
There you go.
It's, so I'm going to get out of that. And then I will press this button.
Yeah. And now we're recording.
Oh, and then it changed.
That one brings you back to home.
So,
yeah.
Oh, this
is for the viewing and the zooming in and out because this drone has a zoom on it, whereas many other drones do not. I think this is a 5 times zoom if my memory serves me correct.
So we are taking a look down the pool. That's where we are.
Yep.
Woohoo! And then this can zoom in into the pool, right? Yeah, here we go. I am zooming in us. We see you moving.
We're making a video, remember?
Oh my gosh, we're totally making a video.
We're making a video. You keep talking to the controller.
I am so enthralled by all this. So let's see. So this is kind of cool. It's not as scary as I thought. So this, I'm just going to the right or to the left.
After you get into the air a little bit and you go and you do it safely, it's not as scary as you think it is, but it is still, there's some anxiety because it's a little aircraft.
Yeah. So I'm gonna bring it down.
Now, to explore this feature, push and hold the H and it will return to you right where it lifted off.
Where? Okay, I see.
Oh, there it is. I'm like, I don't even see it right now. So we got to look at it and make sure that it's not going into the pool.
It looks like it's going into the pool.
Okay, so you got to
wait. Let's see.
No, you got to take the controls. You can walk over there to get a better view of it. I don't think you can see what you're doing.
Yeah. So I'm trying to do a nice landing for you guys. So yeah, this is so much better.
Who had that idea? Oh, was that me when I was like, babe, go look at the drone. Go look at
it's landing.
There we go. Perfect landing.
Wow, I did it.
Flawless, babe. Good job. Just 2 more left to go. This is a very tricky one. Notice I've got a whole bunch of pieces here, right? We have goggles. We have an external battery for the goggles that are on a cord. It's the weirdest thing ever. And then we have the controller and we have the actual drone itself. So we know how to turn it on. Push once, push twice, hold. I'm gonna go set it up over there. You're gonna get this turned on. This is the weird part about FPV. So here's a controller. If you want, you can just look at that visually with your eyeballs for now before you put the goggles on.
So how do you start?
The same way as you started the other one. There you go, I hear it's on.
Okay.
All right. And now up. There you go.
Oh, so it kind of captures a little bit the feet.
Yeah, because this drone is meant for forward on cinematic shots that are like phew, phew, phew. So it's looking at stuff straight on.
Oh gosh, it really kind of makes you a little lose your senses a little bit.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
Now move your head. Well, you're right above us right now.
So I want to go higher.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going higher.
Higher.
Wow.
No idea why it looks all wobbly like that. It could be that it's really windy up there.
Yeah, I think so. So I'm going to start bringing it down.
Yep.
Success. I think this gets a little more getting used to it because it's a little crazy.
Crazy.
It's crazy. Like when I was moving the thing forward, I almost wanted my body to go forward. But it's kind of a cool view. It's like
I get motion sickness thinking about it.
Yeah, no, but it's kind of cool.
The Mavic 3 Cine, or the Mavic 3. The Mavic 3 Classic just came out, which has a lot of the same characteristics and features, but not all. I don't know what they are off the top of my head, so I'm not going to quote them.
Okay, so
look at the controller for a second. Understand that it's got a lot of the same characteristics
of that other one,
of the other one that we were just using, the first one.
Yeah.
But we also got some antennas, so it's got some long range. There you go. See?
All right.
There you go.
Take off.
There we go.
So let's do this, guys. All right, so I'm gonna
go right up.
I'm gonna go up.
Now this one flies really nice.
Wow, look at that. It's going all the way up in there. Yay!
Bye.
Oh, babe, I like this one.
So this one I think was 5,000.
So I'm 68 meters up in the air.
It's pretty far.
It's pretty far. How high can I go? Will it tell me?
I think the limit's 200 right now.
Holy cow, I can go 200? Uh-oh.
Flight altitude reached.
Yeah.
Never mind, you just reached
120.
120.
Yeah, it's 120.
I think the max is 200, but I have it set at 120.
So let's see how high we are here. So I'm gonna turn this camera. Oh, I'm turning the camera up.
This one flies nice, right?
It's so cool.
This one's so nice. You were really responsible on your first 2 flights. Better than I was in a couple of mine. So I think that you're doing okay. And you are listening to suggestions and feedback and responding well.
Watch out, people. I'm gonna be doing all sorts of videos now with this drone.
Real estate videos is what he does. He's a realtor. So that's the whole purpose behind it, is learning how to do some more videos and footage for his business.
So now I'm gonna bring it down super close to the iPhone.
I look forward to catch it.
Done.
There we
Holy
have it.
cow.
The flight of 3 different drones, all DJI. So it'll be exciting to start exploring outside of DJI product.
Yeah.
DJI products.
DJI products.
But so far I've only flown DJI drones, and I like them. They're fun. They got a little unique quirks that you need to learn. But of all 3 that you flew today, I would say which is your favorite, but here he is flying the Mavic 3 Cine again as we're trying to close. So thank you guys for watching the video. I know this was a long one. Hopefully you had some fun. We definitely had fun making it. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe. For the love of tech, namaste.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
This is awesome.